Most people think you need millions of views to make millions of dollars on YouTube. Big viral videos, crazy stunts, sponsorship deals. But what if I told you that's not how I made $15 million on this platform?
Okay, we gotta pause here for a moment. Because you, my friend, don't want YouTube. You don't want to know about videos. Heck, some of you even don't want to care about social media. I get it. You have a day job and your life is revolved around your day job. You go to bed at midnight and you sleep up to 5 o'clock in the morning. Then you pray, take shower, have breakfast, and spend some time with your family. 2 hours. Then you go out and commute till 9 o'clock until you reach your workplace. Then from 9 to 12 p.m., crazy work. Then from 12 p.m., you take some lunch, take some break, and then you finish at 5. 5 p.m., you start for your home and reach at 6. Now these red lines are your busy time. You are completely occupied. You don't have any time to do anything about a side hustle or learning something or trying something or making money whatsoever. Then from 6 to 8, you spend some time praying, taking shower, dinner, family time. And of course you take some time to watch TV or maybe browse the internet, let's say 1 hour. Maybe you go to the grocery shop and you spend another hour there. Still, my friend, look at this. You have 2 hours at night and you have 1 solid hour in the morning to try some side hustle. That's 3 hours per day. In 7 days, you can spend 21 hours. In 30 days, you spend 90 hours. My friend, if you spend 90 hours to learn a skill, do you think you can become an expert on that skill? Okay, maybe you can't focus because you need some energy. Let's say 3 months, 90 days. That's 270 hours on a side hustle that can potentially make you tons of money. Okay, before we begin, can you help me understand something? Why have you not smashed the like button yet? Why did you not share the video with your friends, family, and social media? And if you haven't subscribed to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, why not? Listen, the only reason I make these videos is to get help from Allah, is to make Allah happy. Because if I put a little bit of my time, effort, and my research, my work, and give it to you, and you get some benefits, Allah will be happy and Allah will give me the money. So whether you buy something from me or not, I don't care. I know that if you get even a tiny bit of benefit, and even if you don't get any benefit, due to my intention, I will get help from Allah. So what is stopping you from liking this video, share with your friends, family, and social media, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, because this way you're not only helping me who is trying to help you, but also when algorithm will pick this video and show it to more and more people, can you imagine how many people will get benefit from this? So go do it. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, and let's move on to the main video. So even if you have a day job and you absolutely have no time to try anything, do anything yourself, you can still watch some videos like this, learn a side hustle, try it, and make money. Why not I show you how to do this? So this video is 23 minutes long. I watched the video on your behalf. I found some golden nuggets, but look what happens when I scroll over this progress bar. Can you see the scene changes? Can you see anything other than this man talking on the camera? Can you see his screen? No, not at all. So for 23 minutes, he kept blabbering. Unfortunately, I have to call it blabbering, because when I visited his channel and checked his other videos, I found very few of his videos crossed 2,000 views. But this one blabbering video crossed 37,000 views. This is exceptionally suspicious, because in my opinion, this video did not get all these 37,000 views naturally or organically. Probably he ran some ads to it to get some external views, to get more subscribers, and probably get some people to know him and know about his skills and offers, etc. There is nothing wrong with that. I'm just trying to show you that if you are not careful enough and you just go on social media, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and keep scrolling, you might end up watching a useless video. By useless, I meant not so useful for you. But to be 100% certain about what I'm saying, I went to Claude AI and used their latest version, Sonnet 3.7. and I analyzed the video. I tried to learn from this video. And here is the 4-step technique that he is talking about that made him $15 million. You make money in this step. Third step is the most ignored step by most influencers you see right now, which will take you to money. And this is also one of the most important part in our 99% done for you system. In case you are interested to know about our 99% done for you program, where we help beginner members like this earn $500 commission. Ruby is a busy mom. She lives in Malaysia and she made multiple $500 commissions. Daryl has a day job, lives in Abu Dhabi. He made multiple $500 commissions. David Moore lives in UK. He has a day job, busy dad, earned multiple $500 commissions. And all these commissions were easy for them because our system is 99% done for you. If you want to watch that training, there is a link below this video. In the description, go click that link. It will ask you for your email. Put your email and then you'll be taken to this website and you'll see this video. So watch the full video from start to end. Make sure you don't miss anything because the majority of this video is complete education about how we run AI-powered digital marketing business. If you have any question, feel free to ask this AI chat agent. It will give you all the answers just like I do. But still, if you want to chat with me one-on-one, feel free to direct message me on Instagram or Facebook and I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. Now, in this program, we use AI-powered automation. And this AI-powered automation helps us make money by selling digital products without our involvement. Isn't that interesting? But most people ignore this. And the reason I'm a little pissed at this video is that these 2 steps can be combined as 1 step. Okay, I will show you this in a moment. But before that, let me show you what Claude Sonnet has done with this. I asked Claude to make a table of all the side hustles mentioned in this video, how beginner friendly they are, how possible it is to make $100 per day, and what about maintenance effort. So based on these factors, Claude has listed all the side hustles mentioned in the video and put them a rating out of 5. Now, according to this table, this is so interesting. According to this table, this side hustle has the highest 5 stars. It is beginner friendly and it has good $100 per day potential and the maintenance is much less. Do you want to know the name? It's one-on-one coaching. Really? I mean, one-on-one coaching is beginner friendly? Tell me, as a beginner who has a 9-to-5 day job, do you believe you have ability to sell one-on-one coaching to someone? You have to market yourself and your skills. You have to sell and you have to deliver all within these 3 hours per day. This is funny. And this is advised by Sonnet 3.7 that it is beginner friendly. Okay, I am not happy with the result. So I asked, which skills can beginners who have 9-to-5 day job and have only 3 to 4 hours per day for a side hustle can learn and earn all alone, all by themselves, and how? Answer in steps, bullet points, use tables, and 6th graders language. And let me show you what happened. When I hit enter, now Claude is writing a completely new set of skills and side hustles. Now look at this. First, it made a table with the list of skills that beginners can do, and now it even wrote some daily program for you. Look at this. On Monday, first 30 minutes you learn a new skill, then 1 hour practice the skill, then 1 hour work on projects, and 30 minutes update social media. Now this is exactly these 2 steps are about. B stands for billboard. Use your social media like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram as your billboard. As you learn new skill, practice new skill, you use these social media as a billboard to show that this is what you can do. Step number R is rock their world. Who? Your viewers, your followers on social media, by sharing what you are doing, how you are doing, and the results you are getting. Mosh, I have been listening to you, but so far I did not understand where is the money. Is that what you're saying? When you billboard your skills and you share what you do, how you do, and results, your potential clients will contact you, but you should not allow them to contact you without giving something away. This is where E comes in. E is all about emails. That's what I said. Most influencers ignore this part because they find it boring, time consuming. More importantly, they just don't have the knowledge. My businesses made over $10 million in sales revenue. Email marketing is one of the most crucial part in making all that money. So you should have an automatic system for email capture. Let me give you an example. You go to the description of this video. you will find a link. Click on that link and you will be on this page. Now, if you register for a free training, this looks great. Now you're going to watch the training. You're excited. So when you click watch now, it will ask for your name and your email. The moment you put your name and email, you will receive an email from him, and it's completely automated. The reason for email is to build connection, rapport, relationship, and eventually show you his offers. And maybe some of you or some of us will buy his offer based on our needs and wants. The most important part of this is completely automatic and it's hands-free. Now you might be saying, Mosh, I have no idea how to set up automated email system. Don't worry, my friend. Remember I told you that AI automation is an essential part in our 99% done for you program. And if you want to know about our program, go and watch this training. It is completely free to watch. And at the end of the training, you will learn about our program. So you will not only learn about our business, but also learn about our program. So you have complete opportunity waiting for you in this free to watch video. The link is in the description. Go watch it right now. And money making with this automation is super easy, super simple for beginners like this, because we are doing this automation on their behalf, on behalf of the members of our program. And for any reason, if you find our program useful and you decide to join our program, we will do the same 99% done for you setup for you as well. Now, you must be wondering, what are the side hustles Claude gave me? These are the ones. Writing blog posts, you can learn in 1 to 2 months, and you can make $50 to $300 per post. What you need to start? Computer and internet. I don't want to go into details. Take a screenshot and choose your own. You have time, my friend. You should invest in your time to learn the right skill that will make you money. The last step is wallet opening offer. You make an offer to your audience so good that they love to open their wallet and pay you for your product or service. Now, did this look easy to you or beginner friendly to you? Even for a fact, you know that you have 3 hours per day. Still, it looks overwhelming. Yes? And that's why the best of the best solution for beginners, in my opinion, is affiliate marketing. Affiliates share 50-50 sales revenue with the product owners or with the offer owners. The offer owners do all this hard work. And the only thing affiliates do is to promote their offer and get customers for them and earn 50% of the sales revenue as passive commission. Affiliate marketing is the exact thing that our beginner students of our 99% done for you program do. And at this point, you're confused. What do we actually do? We use AI the same way I used AI in this whole video. And this video is basically directed by AI. This way, we learn new skills and knowledge fast. Fast is the keyword here. Then we use our experience of using AI and the skills and knowledge and turn this combination into short form videos. What is short form video? Short form videos are Instagram Reels or TikTok or Facebook Reels or YouTube Shorts. They're basically 30 to 60 seconds long. And then we upload the same video on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All these platforms send us viewers, and these viewers are the real people who watch our content. Our video contents are structured in a way that they send all these viewers to an AI-powered automated funnel. This sales funnel does the selling on our behalf, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 commissions like this. Pretty much passive income because 99% of the work is done for you. Was this video helpful? Did you like the video yet? If not, why not? Please like the video. That will mean a lot to me because we made this video for you. So you can get some inspiration, you can learn something, implement it, and get results for yourselves. And share this video with your friends, family, social media contact, because this way you help them learn the same. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure to switch on the notification bell button if you want to get notified when we upload our next one. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.